Hubert Sanders here. Let's take a look at Apple. Now, obviously, it bounced a little bit today and also on Friday. So now you have some analysts coming out and saying that Apple is a screaming buy, right? So my question to you would be, when has an analyst done anything for you that actually worked out fairly well? So most of the time they're just doing their inventory. They're either defending a position or they work for the shops that they are analyzing the stocks for. And let's just say let's pretend that Goldman Sachs had a boatload of Apple, okay, and they want to defend it going higher. Well, they could do an analyst release saying that, Apple is a good buy. Now, that's just an example, and it's some of the things that does happen in Wall Street. So you just got to be a little bit careful. You do have a little support here at 380, but as long as Apple stays below this area of 422 right here, you're probably okay, safe, and it really needs to cross the top of this cloud, which let me give you an example of a price action. So if it gets above 434, then it would be a decent long. Down in here, you would just be bottom fishing off of some decent support. It's not bad. In my opinion, what it's going to do is it's going to run up here. It's going to get a few people to chase it, and then it's going to do the old two-step. It's going to go one step up and two steps down, and you're going to be left hanging in a position that you really don't want. So overall, it still looks like it's in a bearish situation. This blue line has not crossed above the cloud, and so far it continues to want to drop, even though it's got a nice little dip. And here's one way that you can kind of filter that out. You filter out the noise by seeing how much it's retraced. So what you can do is you go from this most recent high to this most recent low, and what it should do in a normal retracement, a normal buy and sell off and retracement, it should retrace up to 412 to 417 and then see if it's going to go higher. If it closes above 417, then it's probably off to the races. It's going to go through 440. If it doesn't do that, then it's going to roll over and go back down here to 388. Good luck. Hope it helps. See you in the next video.